everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. We're here in the sunroom because today, this came from Influenster. We had to run an errand. We came back. We saw the FedEx truck. I was like, I didn't order anything to come in FedEx, but I also did not expect this. Don't mind that, that's just the ghosts throwing stuff. But I also did not expect this to be this tall. I'm 5'8", in fact, but 5'8", and this, my friends, goes up to here. This is pretty tall. I'm about to show you what's in it. I'm excited for this. You always know I have some sort of pair of scissors. My pink ones are always in my sewing area. So let me get this open. Biscuits is outside. She's wanting 11s. I give you 11s in a few minutes, ma'am. So try to get this open. Make sure the shipping label's where you can't see it. Man, this is tall. I'm loving this. We needed an extra fan in the house because, y'all, if you know how crazy freaking hot the weather has been lately, then you know what I'm talking about. So, might need a little help getting it out of the box, so I'm going to pause this. Okay, now that I had to have Rob come help me, it's out of the box. I have the instruction, and it comes with the remote control. So we're going to assemble this. Now, I will say thank you to Rob for helping me to assemble. Now, I need battery for this, otherwise I would just go like that. House comes with complimentary dog hair. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh gee. See about the oscillation there. You see that? I know you do. Isn't that wonderful? It puts out a lovely, lovely breeze. I gotta wipe the dog hair off though. Oh, it has different settings for the fan. Oh my gosh, so that's different fan. Stand over that door and this can't see you. Let's see if you can feel it when I up the thing. Can you feel it? I mean, it's a freebie. I'm not mad at it. It's a test. What I do on Influencer is I test the products, and I get to keep the product for giving the review. And so far, I've got some really good stuff from Influencer. Yeah, I gotta balance on the wall for a minute, but this is good. There was even a little place under there to, like, on the base where you put the cord out so it's not weirdly underneath it, which is a really good thing. And I think maybe in a smaller space, or maybe if you have it near you, you know. Oh wait, does that do something? The power thing changed the flow. Yeah, it did. That's a better flow. So anyway, if you want to influence your life, try Influenster. Get some great products to review and influence your life better. And with that said, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, as always, stay blessed. And I'll see you in the next one because I'm going to enjoy this. The house is going to enjoy this. In fact, this cooled off the sunroom. because the sunroom's always hot, but this literally right now, along with the air unit in the kitchen, has cooled the sunroom more. So I was like, I'm like, come on already. So anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.